It's jetski.
Running operations,
Productions, and I'm about to go insane. Yeah,
Back in my brain.
yo, I got the vangsta, bro. I'm a monkey. When you got a brothel that hopes and swings, Valley of the monkey and the shadow it brings. Wear the crown. It's all the princes and the thieves in the town of Henny, where we smoke all of these trees. It's the B to the OOD.
Runs the operation brilliantly.
I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free.
Danny, better know it's Skitzo. Going on to this mic, might have to use some hypno.
I'm doing this shit, yeah, brilliantly. This is the shit that is written and I'm on the attack. I'm doing this shit, that's a matter of fact. I said, you know it's Danny, yeah, bitch, I am back. Yeah, and I got a new flow. Hitting this shit, yeah, Danny, bro. Danny on the mic, yeah, Danny on the flow. Yeah, it's a new Danny glow in the back. Hitting this shit, yeah, it's Danny on the track. And I'm on the attack. Is she white or black? Yeah, no you go and get it like a freak show. Hitting this shit, yeah, Danny on the mic, yo, Danny on this, and I'm here on the freestyle. Hey, Danny on the freestyle, though I can't freestyle very well, so is it Danny on the mic, Skitzo? It's the B to the OOD, brother of operations brilliantly. I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free. It's the B to the OOD, brother of operations brilliantly. I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free.
Chickens in the motherfucking stove. I'ma try to get the money really quick, y'all know. I cannot stop getting all this cash in the dough. Everything is good, I'll just keep coming up. Stacking on this cash, stacking on this guap. Oh fuck what they talking about, man, I got my place on that. So, y'all have a fucking smile on my face now, yeah. No lights on this bitch. Fuck around and fight, what you want, what you get. I'm just trying to figure out what's the meaning of this life that we living in. Smoking on some sugar, what the fuck or what you get. I can I just tried it out, now I'm on a different zone. Fuck around and find out, fuck around and take time to know. You just gotta advance, go slow, but you can never, you gotta keep going fast. Well, what you gonna lose when you win? Ooh, what you talking like you talking shit? Bitch, you fuck around and gonna get hit with this kid. Team smoking on spill, I can never stop, cause I know I got the ELO. I should don't fuck what you know about the spill, I can never stop, get a lot, what you feelin', what the fuck, yo, what the fucking jokes? I smoked on and I fucking don't. What you know about this life that we living in? Talking to my shit, cause he got a grid coming in. Oh fuck, what you talking about, motherfucker? You don't know shit, so get your cold shit. Smoking on some bullshit, you come with your dope shit. I talk about this and I'm feeling like emotions. I put the money to motion, I keep on coming in, cause I know it's stacking to the top, gotta fucking win. But now it keeps fucking and I'm feeling nauseous. I keep talking shit, cause I know it's gonna stop me from the unconscious. Club kicking in, kicking my ass again.
It's the B to the OOD, brother of operations brilliantly. I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free. Yeah, it's a freestyle. Hit this shit, I'm going for a while. I'ma do it now like I was again in Kyle or Kenny from South Park. Don't make me start that shit. I'm gonna go hit it with another fucking click, clack. Bitch, you know that I'm back. I'm hitting this shit, yeah, it's a stack. Danny, motherfucker, I'm on the attack. I'm gonna make an impact up on this verse. I'ma do some shit and I'll make it fucking worse. That was a title line. Doing this shit, I still won't beat it like Vine. You better give me a Klondike, I'm on the attack. I'ma make another motherfucking stack. I said, Danny, motherfucker, bitch, I'm back. I had 1K on my YouTube channel, but they set me down and they said, no, Daniel, you can't do this shit. God damn, it's so sad. Hate this fucking shit, that's so bad. Yeah, I said, I got deleted off YouTube 5 years ago. Now I'm making music 10 years on the show. And I'm Danny on the mic, cause I'm gonna fucking blow. And I'm gonna do this shit like it's the Skitzo show. And I'm on the attack, I'm going to the war. And I'm gonna make it so I know what I'm fighting for. And I'm hitting this shit like when I go to the store, I got the money tag, money sign on my back, cause the stores want my money. Gonna crack a joke, gonna get some shit, gonna have some hope. I'm doing this shit, remember the average folk. I'm gonna go like it was some cocaine in the rain with the things that I say that are so insane. I'm just high, I'm gonna do this shit, make your mother cry. Stick a needle in your motherfucking eye. And I said this is the shit like it was foreplay. I'm not shy, I'm just a motherfucking guy who's a thug bro guy. And I'm doing this shit, it ain't no motherfucking lie. Yeah, you're gonna do it cause you're motherfucking shy. You won't do it cause what I fucking said. I'ma do it now with the words from my head, cause this is so insane. With the words in my brain, I'm doing this shit like we are on the rap game. Just a stain, remember that's what I said, of course. Hit it now with another fucking verse. I said it, yeah, better set us free. Danny on the mic, yep, yes sirree. Yeah, hey, it's the B to the O-O-D, brother of operations, brilliantly. I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free.
Better tell your crazy young Dannyskitzo, he's back in the bitch hole. What you wanna talk me? Talk like it is though. But you don't know where it all. It's so serious, everything is good cause I'm living like a old kid. I'm all kidding, motherfuckers you need. Sick but I'm spitting, every day I fucking eat. I breathe, hook around with feeling like me, oh shit. Feeling like it's fucking me, I'm trying to fall. Take my time cause I'm answering this motherfucking soul. Gotta advance bigger, legacies in my mind so I can't pull the trigger. What you feel? I fucking tell you, I think he saved my life, I swear to me on everything. I'll just be a better man cause I'm stacking that bread every day, bitch. Now fucking me, I can never picture me someone in this fucking world so empty. I can never do all my things cause I've been a thief. I got better things on my mind, they all heavenly. Fucking waste of all fun, taking my time cause I'm feeling so gone. Feelings don't go, so you better take it while it lasts or you gon' fucking end up in the dirt. Fucking bread and start. I just can't stop fucking serving all this work. I just can't stop serving all this fucking work. Heavenly forgiveness, bustin', I'm feeling, get it, but the fuck, guilty kicking, I'm feeling. Drilling, the kicking in, I'm feeling like this is something I can win, but I just keep on going through the marks and the barks. I'm feeling like this is something I just feel like the worst shit. And I feel like the worst shit, trying to get the worst shit. I just do the surfing, trying to make this not be my worst shit. So I keep on going, I've been harder in this first bitch. This is first gear, but I'm going 80, motherfucker, what you know? I just gonna burn this fucking cash and dough. Gonna break this fucking whip with DannyskitzoProductionuniversal. It's jetski, motherfucker.
I'm with the vangsta, we on the attack. I'm doing it cause you know it's just a fact. Yeah, we're gonna hit it on the fucking track. Yeah, it's Danny, motherfucker, I'm back. Got leg, got my bro. I'm hitting this shit cause it's Dannyskitzo. Danny on this, yeah, Danny on the flow, bitch. Yeah, got the vangsta, hitting this shit, yeah, cause I'm a gangsta. It's the B to the O-O-B, brother of operations, brilliantly. I'm Danny, motherfucker, I'm a G. Gonna join in time to go and set us free.